Hey GLITZGLAMFAM, welcome back to my channel. How's everyone doing? Happy end of September, almost October. I'm so excited. It's almost the end of 2020, so you know 2020's been a hot mess. So anyway, I wanted to make a video today. It's bright and early on Saturday. And I wanted to make a video just announcing the giveaway winners for my September video. I'm going to pick 3 winners. So I'm going to announce that in today's video and then just do like a little try on of some of the items from the October Glitzglambox. I'm also going to film the October Glitzglambox unboxing, but I'm not going to post it probably until October 1st. So you want to stay tuned for that. So one of the stars, literally, of the show in the October box are our new lashes, our new lash styles. So we have a lash line called Never Basic Lashes. These are the star lashes and they come in multiple different styles. So yeah, I'm gonna put a pair on and yes, get this going. Let's see, these are in the style, I think I'm gonna wear these because they're a little bit wispy. You know, anytime there's a wispy lash involved, it was me. Actually, I like the other ones because they're a little bit shorter. I like these because they're a little bit shorter. So these are in the style, I think we're giving out this month, Twinkle Twinkle and Wish Upon, or Lucky. I don't know which ones we're gonna give out. But yeah, they're gonna be cute. So let me just take these out and show you guys. Are these not so cute? They're faux mink. They are super fluffy, 3D, reusable. So yeah, I'm gonna put these on. This is just my duo lash glue, and I use the clear. My sister was just saying she loves using black lash glue, and I'm like, girl, clearly you've never had a bad lash day, because I have put lashes like on my eyeshadow before. So I'm like, yeah, no. All right, I'm gonna use my Aesthetica mirror. Put this on. Sorry if I'm a little quiet. It's morning, guys. The GLITZGLAMFAM knows my struggle with filming in the morning. So if you guys can see, are those not so cute? They're so cute. These are Wish Upon. I love, 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 love these. And these are kind of natural looking. They're like glam, but they're like natural glam. Now my sister Lauren, we started Glitzglambox together. She loves the super dramatic lashes because she wears glasses. So her whole thing is she wants you to see her lashes through her glasses. So, and then it's like me, I wear those and I'm just like, I feel like a drag queen, although we love the queens. So I'm going to pinch this a little bit more once it dries a little bit more. So I usually just place it on and then let it dry. So I get my placement right and then let it dry almost. See, I just lay it on there. Let it dry almost, and then I kind of move it to adjust it and like pinch it with my natural lashes. So like this, I would just let sit. Oh, I feel so quiet. Usually I'm a blabbermouth, but I'm like kind of tired. I don't know why. I slept late, but I'm just worn out, you know, because it's like I'm still working. We still do the box. I have my makeup line. So I do kind of a lot. I'm trying to film. All right, so these are the Wish Upon. Yeah, And I think these are really cute and very natural. I just, for my shadow today, I just did like, I think I used the Huda Beauty Desert Dust palette, and I just did like a dark brown and then kind of smoked it out. Just a tap and put a shimmer over it. And my face, of course, you know, I have 9 million things on my face. So yeah, I think this looks pretty good. And just a line. I live for a thick liner. Oh, uh-oh. This one's not dry all the way. So now, I don't put mascara on the falsies and like connect them to my lashes. But you can if you would like to. So yeah. So next we have 2 different variations of lippy. So I'm gonna show you guys those and then just I'll try one of them on. I'm not gonna try both of them on. Yeah, so let's get into it. Okay, so these are from You Can Be, and they are the Luxury Queen Matte Lipstick. So they're a creamy matte, and wait till you guys see the component. Like, look at this. Is this not so fabulous? We were gonna use these in August, but then August got totally ruined. So we had to kind of revamp and find a different place for them, but I've had them since August. So here's the one color. This is in shade 3, and this is just so cute, I think. And then let's open up shade 5 because we have like 3 and 5. So let's see shade number 5. I think these are just so cute. They are really kind of bulky, but they're very cute. Like, on your vanity, come on. Come on. Okay, here we go. So this is shade 5. So let's just open this one. Here's the packaging. Okay, and this is shade 5. So this one's a little more brown, and this one's a little more pink. So should we swatch them? Yeah, let's swatch them. So this is 5. I haven't done swatches in forever. So this is 5. That's pretty. And then these are just very subtle and nude. And this one's like a little more reddish. So a little more pinky. I think I'm going to use the bottom one, which was, wait, which is which now? Guys, now you know I'm tired. And we're gonna offer double the glam on these. So if the page is updated on our site, I'll put this in the description box. So double the glam, you can get, you know, both variations of a product if you like it, or however many variations there are. So yeah, so we will offer that. All right, let me put this on because I look so tired with no lippy on. So, and I saw these and I was like, okay, I just have to have them. Okay, so cute. Like a perfect kind of nude moment. Yeah, this is a perfect kind of like fall-y, nudie, pumpkin spicy moment. Yes. Okay, boom. So this is shade, why do I keep forgetting which shade? This is shade 5. So really cute. Okay, so let me just do a little setting spray because I look a little dry. Not too dry, but I think I look a little dry. This is my Mario Badescu spray that I just like live and die for. This is the green. I have green, pink, purple. I have all the colors. I have them all. So let's see. How do we look? Boom. Alrighty. Now the time has come to announce the giveaway winners. Okay, now I'm getting my energy back. Okay, so one person I did pick by hand because she's so sweet, and she always films a Glitzglambox unboxing. I can't even remember a month that she hasn't filmed, and she usually beats me to film me the unboxing, which is like, Chanelle, you need to get your stuff together, okay? Get yourself together and film your unboxing. I used to always be the first one, but then she started taking my crown, my throne as the first one posting, you know, their Glitzglambox unbox. Really? Look at this. Come on, curl, get it together. I curled this last night and took a little cat nap. But so I want to say thank you so much for your support on my YouTube channel. Everyone, thanks for entering the giveaway. I'm gonna pick 3 winners from this from 3 winners for this month for the September giveaway, and I'm gonna pick 1 winner in my new October Glitzglambox unboxing. So thank you guys so much. The shout out I wanted to give to was the winner, Jamie. Jamie, you're gonna be one of the giveaway winners this month. So yeah, thanks so much for always posting about Glitzglambox and always commenting on my videos. You are so sweet, and thanks for entering the giveaway, and you're the winner, one of the winners. So I'm gonna put all 3 names here on the screen, so you guys contact me, track me down, you know the drill. Track me down to claim your prize. So you need to give your shipping information and everything and where you want it shipped. And yeah, guys, till the next video. Bye.